Hello you guys, and welcome back for another makeup tutorial. So today is officially Valentine's Day. So if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up as soon as you're done watching this video. And well, today we're gonna create this makeup look that I have on, and this is a really nice look that you can actually wear if you're going out to dinner or just hang out with your friends or just stay at home. This is nice color that you can actually wear for today. It's up to you, however you decide to look today. You know, since it's Valentine's, you want to make sure that you're looking your best. Not necessarily you have to, but to me, this is a look that I will actually wear for today. So that's why I'm going to go ahead and share it with you guys. So I already have set up my eyeshadow primer, as you guys can see, and I already started off on the left side as always because I don't want my videos to be too long. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and apply the Spectre color right here, and this is from the Moon Dust palette from Urban Decay. So I'm just gonna grab this brush and go ahead and apply it in the inner corner of the eye. Now the second step I'm going to do is use the magnetic color in the purple shade, which is this one right here, and I'm just going to apply that on the side in the middle of the lid. What I'm going to do is use my Profusion Beauty palette, and I'm going to be using this cheer color right here. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab this desired color and Showstopper, and I'm going to mix it together and then just blend it in. Now I'm going to grab my City Mini palette, and I'm going to be using this black color and apply this in the corner of the eye. I'm gonna go back with the brush and just blend this all together. Now I'm gonna be using the Mochi, and I'm gonna be grabbing this light shade color in pink, and I will apply that in the upper brow bone. I'm going to use this black Maybelline eyeliner. Now I'm going to use this white pencil and waterline my eye. Next, I'm going to go ahead and apply my mascara, and this is from Maybelline. I'm going to apply some underneath. And the last thing I'm gonna do is apply some little bit of black eyeshadow underneath, because I almost forgot about that. Alright you guys, so I really do hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and don't forget to like this video once again if you enjoy the way that it came out. And if you guys like it, comment down below and let me know what you guys are gonna do for Valentine's Day. So I really do hope you guys have a great day or night with wherever you are at. So best wishes to everybody, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye guys.